I'm gonna show you how to get Rocket League on Steam. So although there's no way to download Rocket League directly on Steam, there's actually still a way that we can download Rocket League and add it to our Steam library over here. In order to do this, first you need to download and install the Epic Games Launcher. This is completely free to install and it's similar application to Steam. Now once you've installed Epic Games, you can just click on the search box at the top and then from here just search for Rocket League. Now this will come up as a free game on the platform, so you can just select it like so, and then from here we can go ahead and download it. Now you'll just need to wait for the game to finish installing. Once Rocket League is installed, you can hit the three horizontal dots and scroll down and select Manage from this window, come down to Installation, and click on the folder icon here. So this will take you to the files where Rocket League is saved, and from here you just need to double click on binaries, double click on Win64, and then scroll down in this folder until you see the Rocket League.exe application. So what you're gonna do is just select it like so, and then you can come over the folder search bar at the top, and you're just gonna copy all of this text by right clicking and selecting copy. You can then head over to your Steam application, click on library and then tap navigation, and in the bottom left hand side you can select add a game, click on add a non-Steam game, and then select browse in the bottom left. Now in the folder you need to come over to the search bar at the top, and we're just going to paste all of the text that we just copied and hit enter. Then from here you'll see the Rocket League.exe. Double click on this application and that's going to go ahead and add it to the Steam. Make sure it has a tick by it and select add selected programs, and just like that we've now added Rocket League to our Steam application. And from here we can right click and play the game directly. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.